On today's episode of Watch Jericho, we try to start a very, very old Dodge dump truck. What is going on, guys? I'm Watch Jericho, and today we are here at my grandpa's house with this very old Dodge dump truck that he's had forever. I mean, the last time I was in this was, I was a little kid. I don't even know how long ago it was. But today we're gonna try to get it going and do a little of the mechanical work from its sitting for the last who knows how many years. And yeah, then we're gonna try to drive it around. Should be fun. Let's go. So what we gotta get done here is this. Oh, now it won't release. This is the supply and the sender. All of that is getting cleaned up. And then we'll try this bad boy out. It was trying. Backfiring. It's alive! That's what's up. Old monster. Check this out. I don't think we have a tag here. Nope. It's definitely running better than 1,000 RPM right there. Look at all the smoke this thing's been sitting for years. It is running great.
She lives.
She does. What a cute little engine for a truck this size. Is that 400?
No, it's an old 383.
383?
Been sitting for years.
Yeah, it has. It smells terrible.
Yeah, the fuel is shot. She runs good now.
Yeah? I'm surprised it's not hesitating.
Yeah, it's only got half an accelerator pump.
Yep.
Yeah, the other half, when I took it out, it was the ethanol had ruined it.
Just
dissolved it.
Fell in half, I'm sure.
Yeah, so I got to get a new accelerator pump, but I cleaned the rest of the carb and just did it out here with a pocket knife and a screwdriver and some carb cleaner. Runs pretty good.
Too bad we don't have any electronics to tell us anything.
Now we got to fix the brakes.
Yeah, we do need the brakes.
I'm going to see if I can move it.
It'll move, I bet. That tire's completely flat. Outer.
We'll back it over there.
All right, see what happens. We need some air. It's gonna go though. It's an old manual. Like, nothing can really go wrong. It's got a PTO drive dump bed on this thing and a 2-speed rear end. Oh, more. Ah. She lives again. That flat tire is gonna make it really hard to move this old beast. It has a mechanical backup bell. I forgot about that. It must smack the drive shaft. There it is. Rotates on the drive shaft. You guys can take a look at that right there. We should have brought like 10 gallons of new fuel with us. Behind the seat tank, like always. It started dinging again. This thing is super quiet. More.
You don't want to throw it out.
No, it does not. The starter's a
Starter
little.
needs to be overhauled.
Yep, starter's tired. Yep. Does the PTO still kick in?
Oh, sure does.
Hit the switch.
Well, you got to pull it out and engage it manually.
Oh, okay, okay.
Well, it's just fire goes right at it.
Yep. It's probably got a little water sitting in that tank. We should mix it with some heat. Ah.
I'm about to go through this fuel system again.
Yep.
I just put a hose and a filter in the bottom of on the bottom of the sending unit because the ethanol had totally dissolved the filter on the bottom of the sender.
Yep. Sending unit wasn't seized up though, so that was kind of impressive.
Where I'm going.
You don't need to see where you're going. You got 50 feet. Oh, you don't have brakes. So you're down to 20 feet. Ho! There's 4 more feet if you want it, but you probably don't. It's got a little Tommy Boy lift on here. Tommy Boy, Tommy lift, and a dump bed. We are trying to troubleshoot the oil pressure and water temp sensors. We think it's this harness right here. So doing a little work there. That appears to be the whole engine harness. Send it. Oh, again. This does have one very big engine bay. That's kind of cool. Troubleshooting all this, a little bit of a nightmare with no meter. Okay, we're trying to put some brake fluid in here. Had to free this guy up, which does not want to come off. Brake fluid reservoir cap here. There we go. Turn out of it. Actually had to beat on it with a hammer a little bit just to get it going. Yep, that guy is empty. Check that out. You can see all the way to the bottom. So now, got some brake fluid. We're gonna try to get it back in there. It's probably good, right?
Well, make sure it ain't oil.
Nope, brake fluid.
What dot is it?
4, the good kind.
This whole thing should be running dot 3.
Dot 4 is fully interchangeable. You might pump the brakes a couple times, but it's just drinking this fluid. Let's see if we get something. Oh, the air's flying out. Oh yeah. Every time you do that, I'm getting air and fluid popping up. Yeah, you can actually hear it. It was gurgling.
I heard the vacuum.
Yeah. Brakes. Oh, too much. Slow down a little. You got brakes now? Oh, okay. Nope. There's our brake stash right there with all of our brake tools. Well, that's good. Everything's working.
Rinse all that off.
Yeah, there's a water fountain of brake fluid coming out. I went ahead and put back the master cylinder protector. We're gonna jump down and then spray it on the whole truck here. Try to get all this brake fluid off. Here we have the manufacturer's plate on the door, Dodge Plymouth Fargo de Soto. And it's a Dodge D600. It's a 1976. You can see it used to be one of the city of Winfield's trucks just to do work with. All right, here we go. What? Oh, okay. Still no tech. We're gonna let it run for a little bit here and see if the temp ever comes up. Oil pressure sender appears to not be working. A new set of tires. Trying to get some air in these tires here. I should probably check it.
Yeah, keep going.
Check out that. It's not putting out a lot of air. There's the 2-speed rear end motor right over there. And the reverse dinger. Truck lift up any?
Yeah, she's coming up. All right.
So we checked out the brakes, aired up this tire, and Dad is gonna try to take this out on the highway. I would have driven it, but I've got the Viper truck and I figured I might as well relax. Oh, it'll go. There it is. There it is. Should work better than ever now the tire's aired up. Let's see. Let's see her move. All right, I'm gonna have to run to the truck. It doesn't exactly want to go. Uh-oh, looks like the truck's down. Idled all the way down this hill, but now we're kind of stuck. Let's go see what's up here. What happened?
Fire went out.
Oh, you think it'll restart?
No.
Battery or fuel?
Fuel.
You want me to go get a can?
I got one in here.
Oh,
Pull on up.
throw it in here. Makes sense it would be knocking with the fuel that was in there. Is that more of the fuel? Or is it just empty?
Transmission.
Okay.
We'll be right back.
Dad's never been in the old Viper truck here. It's a good place to test it out, I guess. Well, hopefully this gets it back to the gas station. This is gonna be a fun pour. Did you use a real gas can last time?
Yeah, I'll be.
Pretty much got it. All right, that was some pretty transmission smelling fuel. It did it, didn't it? Let's go. You just coasted in? Need a push? Oh, it'll start. Running the starter in gear. So we thought it was starving for fuel, but there was a ton of fuel when we broke the line loose there. Have to try to get this hood. It doubled over backwards, basically. Yeah, but it's supposed to. Nice ladder. Gave her a quick car wash, wiped out the inside of the glass. Now you can kind of see out of it a little better. Well, the brakes are gone on the truck. Dad just called me and said that they no longer exist, so I'm parked here to try to clear a path through the intersection, but now there's a train, so he needs to stop so he can idle along. And I gotta get past him. And it looks like we're all clear forever, so that's nice. All right, he's got it shut down. It looks like he's gonna make the turn, so just idling on in, clear the path for him. I'm kind of surprised it's even running. She is leaking something, probably brake fluid right here. You can see the gear oil's like spraying out too. Lots of fluid all over the wheel, but it'll start. Hey, there it goes. It sounds great when it's running. Solid old engine. One more carb rebuild. It's in its granny gear now, so like half of first probably. Creeping. No brakes needed. Well, this old monster made it, what, 30, 40 miles back here? Not bad for just a quick carb clean in a field and a little bit of new fuel. Of course, no brakes anymore. It needs a few things like diff seals, and not too much. It'll go right back down the road. Anyway, that iron is headed to the iron yard, which is why it moved anyway. And that is it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to head on over to shopwatchjrgo.com where you can get cool shirts not like this. And please like, share, subscribe, do whatever you want to do, and I will talk to you next time. Just dodge things.